So today's episode is for all my ladies out there who are thinking about competing or who have competed and who are looking to develop some new skills with their posing. Posing is a big part of being on stage, and it's not enough to have great muscles or a great conditioning and be very beautiful. You also have to know how to display yourself. And as you can see, this takes a lot of practice. It can be tiring at times, and you can get frustrated because you don't see yourself as you'd like to see yourself presenting. And what I'm aiming at with this clip is to show you some of my new moves that I'm trying right now. As you noticed in the first clips of this video, is that I was doing a different poses. I was hitting different poses, and those were because I was competing in figure. Right now, I'm looking to develop some new posing technique because if I want to compete again next year, I will probably compete in a different division. Because of that, there are some poses that I have never done before, and my practice at the moment is focused on improving those exact positions that I'm not familiar with.
Whisper sweet somethings to the one you are saving. Your mirror in likeness, your servant in highness, the earth in one being.
This posing may seem repetitive and
Do not shout this
tiring at times, but it's definitely rewarding to see yourself
in which I came, my
become
praise.
more elegant and
Do not shout
more
this
feminine with all those muscles, you know?
to know myself, a show for the
It's very
young,
fun for me to
came
pose,
my praise.
and I think it's a big part of why I enjoy competing. It's not just winning or just having great muscles, a great shape. I also love to show off. So if you're looking to compete, you have to keep that in consideration. How you present yourself is as important as what you present on stage.
Take all we've got